Hi, today we're going to talk about tea and one of its components, which is catechin. Catechin is also a polyphenol, so we'll briefly talk about polyphenols. Tea is a widely popular drink that originated in southwest China. It is purported to have some health benefits, which we'll explore here. Of course, one of the main components that's popular in tea is caffeine, but caffeine is actually a rather small component of tea when compared to its much more profuse component, which is catechin. This is the basic structure of all catechins, and it's technically called a flavin triol, where the phenol, the hydroxy group, is on the third carbon. This is the basic structure of a phenol, and only plants can make phenolic compounds. Usually in nature, phenolic compounds are really big, and they can give rise to structures such as wood, which can only be found in plants. In tea, the most famous catechin is this one right here, which is shortened to be called ECGC. But basically, researchers are studying if this compound can have health benefits. In plants, all phenolic compounds, and particularly catechins, are synthesized through a very simple pathway. All of them start with the amino acid here, phenylalanine, because phenylalanine has an aromatic group. This aromatic group is pretty hard to find in anything other than plants, and it's a starting point for any other compound with those rings. Here you can see that they take away the nitrogen, and then they add an alcohol at the end, and then they add acetyl-CoA to make it amenable for further reactions. In catechin specifically, that they start with this compound and they enlarge the chain here, and then they basically just do a lot of folding reactions so the chain becomes more rings, and that's basically how catechin forms. Basically, inside the plant, catechin can serve as a way to protect the plant, and it can also have a lot of secondary functions such as inhibiting growth of the plant or responding to certain stressors. And that is all there is to know about this fascinating molecule. Thank you.